why are we here, Mr. Randy? What is RAS? Like RAS, what is it, please? Can you just say something about that for us?
Yeah, actually, RAS is, I would say, for me, it's a treasury. It's like gold for me in the cabinet that data scientists from diverse backgrounds to arcade the talent working as a team. Actually, the essence we want to bring out with this project is that we want to bring individual data consultants all under a common canopy for us to really share the knowledge on data and also about data science, as well as to work and improve on the domain of data science, more especially in Cameroon and sub-Saharan African country, because really we realize that at this level we still have a lot of gap. So RAS actually simply wants to bring all individual data scientists or data analysts or people that really knows about it together under the common canopy to actually work much more legally and over a wider scale.
Okay, Mr. Randy, thank you very much. I think those on this platform have actually understood. We've been talking about RAS since, I mean, you've been seeing it, your WhatsApp group, there's scientists, people are just writing RAS left and right. But I want to ask you, Mr. Randy, what are the objectives of RAS? Can you just say one or two things about the objective?
Yeah. Actually, the essence of RAS, first and foremost, is to advocate. It's actually to advocate for data and data science, for people to actually become a little bit data literate. So that is what we want to bring in, because we can't tackle the real problem that we face today without, first of all, letting people knowing there is a problem. And actually, the first step usually is trying to advocate or to create some level of awareness. And that's the reason why we are here today. And the other surprise as well, I want to emphasize a little bit is that we not just want to create awareness. That's just the first step. The most important step that we want to do, what to do as next, is to create a capacity building system that will enhance human capacity towards achieving this data science ultimate goal that we want to do by bringing much more people towards the platform and towards solving real world problem through data science. So and really what we are actually mentioning here will be much more discussed at the end of this webinar, and it will actually build the treasure for this webinar. So I want to keep that for the end this one.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Randy. There's a saying that if you want to go far in life, you should go. If you want to go fast, you should go alone. But if you want to go far, you should go with people. And I think that if we come together as people of one mind, people are interested in data, we can actually do many great things together. But since we are going to be discussing, I'm going to give the mic now to a very dynamic man. He's going to tell us who we are going to listen to